gear spins to just warm up the tires.
We have Jason Gray on the band.
Sexy bikes. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sweet.
I think they have full Graves exhaust on it.
They what?
Graves exhaust full systems.
Chicago! All the way from Huntington Beach, California, the man himself, legend, Jason Brown, give it up!
Yeah. That's gnarly. Yeah. That's pretty sweet.
The man himself, Aaron Wholesale, give it
Oh yeah. That's fucking nuts, dude. Oh shit! Wow. Wow, dude. That's awesome. Holy shit. Oh, wow, dude. How do you make it turn like that? Yeah. Wow. What a precise freaking wheelie, dude. Dude, he's not even on the throttle.
Jason Brand as well. No-handed circle. Give it up for Aaron. Jason Brand as well. No-handed circle. Yeah. Jason right to his feet there. Off he goes. Right to round blue. Going right around in a circle. Back on that line. Right to the tank. Make some noise for Jason Brand. Give it up.
That's pretty sick.
There's one shot right into round two as well. They're going to go right around. Up close for some high fives. Make some noise for Team Automatic.
High five. Oh, that's awesome.
I love the cheese.
There is no limit to what we can do on these flights. Eric Mosher coming in hot on his Robbie. More on the foul flag in the air. Jason with a moonwalk. Let him control. Get it up. Chicago right in the other side. Come on.
I like the yellow paint on his letters and tires. That's sick. I like the lettering painted on the tires.
I love the chain this guy has on the green one too.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Jesus Christ, dude. Wow. That's nuts, dude. Holy fuck.
We work really hard. Every day. To be what we do. Give it up for Eric Mosher. Put her up on the position. C-skater. Pull her in and out in a tight circle. Look at this throw right on the barrier. Keep it up, keep it up.
Wow.
Is everybody enjoying the show? Jason go right around. Double back Gary Williams. Look at the stall. There it is. Very difficult trick. Stalling right on that hole.
So much control, dude.
I got some giveaways.
And you can only get that from hours of class.
I hear you. Back to right, tank circles. Make some noise for Team Unlimited. Let's hear it. Wow, who just whistled that out? One more time. Back to back. Circle stalls. Make sure you get this on camera. Post this up on social media. And Jason Brio on Eric Hochel. Come on, Chicago. Very good.
Oh, look at this fucking guy.
Jason, give it up. Let's make some noise for Jason.
Wow, dude, that's insane. That's insane, dude. Holy fuck.
Eric Hochel coming in hot on the stopping 180. Right to his neck. Give it up, give it up. Jason coming in hot on his stopping 180. Give it up for Jason. 180.
That's awesome. That was sweet. Oh man. That's pretty gnarly.
In the sport mode.
Come on, give it up for Team
Oh. Chicken. They're putting it in neutral so that when they land, it doesn't fuck it up. That's really impressive too. Dude, they're throwing that shit in neutral as they're coming down. Like that's really impressive.
I'm gonna make it interesting. Let's hear what she got. He's staying down, parking the block. Give it up for Jason. He's making fun of me. Give it up for Jason Grant. Let's hear it.
Yeah.
Where she going? Let her go.
Get out of the way, lady. Oh, put a bag over his head. Oh shit. Oh! Damn! Wow! Nice! That's a good shot.
Look, see? Get him right when he stops.
Oh, good.
It worked now? You want to come in on a stoppie? Up close? Who wants to see her coming on a stoppie?
I have no idea what he said.
Stopping. It's gonna be stopping.
Alright, as my little nephew would say, let's make sure you don't hurt my hands.
Oh! Ooh, yeah. By the way, I'm okay.
So while most of us ride our bikes forward, Jason Texas stepping up to the next level, and he brought this bike backward. So make some noise for Jason Gray. Give it up. Jumping into a trick we call the switchback roll.
Oh, shit.
Standing bike with the bike forward. Give it up. Come on, she goes.
That's insane.
One more time, make some noise for Jason.
He's got a GoPro on. He's got it down.
Wow.
I think Jason's up to no good.
Oh! Hey, did he just do a fucking hop?
One more time, please.
Again! I couldn't even see that. Wow! Holy shit, dude. Wow! Nice, dude. You got a shot of him in the air. Damn! That's fucking cool, dude.
Crazy.
Oh, yeah. That's how you gotta get off a bike. Hold the camera, damn it.
That's awesome.